Hey, good morning, Algebra 1. We're talking about the homework on sequences out of our current topic. Make sure that you do the right section. You can easily just copy and paste that phrase, put it into Google, and see what sort of Google response comes out. That'll totally count for providing a response for that section for me. I just want you to know the resources there and that you can take advantage of it. There's a lot of text there. There's a lot of information about what a sequence actually is. And while I want you to know that the definition exists, and sometimes the math is really high level, we can still use it as a resource. Hey, question 1 of the practice section talks about finding out the information. What's the next number in the figure? Like the first figure has 4 matchsticks if you arrange them in a diamond pattern. The second figure actually has 11. It's the diamond pattern plus 7 more. The third figure has 20. The fourth figure has... we got to figure out how many does the fourth figure have. It seems like if you're adding 7 and then adding 9, that the fourth figure you would add 13 to the previous number. No, adding 7, then 9, then 11. Adding 11 to the previous number. I'm getting ahead of myself. Because the fifth term and the sixth term, right, we're talking about the pattern up to the sixth, like figure or value or situation. Well, if we record those numbers into a numeric list, we would say there are 4 matchsticks in the first figure, then 11, then 20, then 31. And by writing them out like a list, it's much easier to try to be able to talk about the amount of change. The question I asked you guys in class, or I ask my students on a yearly basis, is can you figure out the pattern for the sequence? Can you figure out the way the numbers modify or adapt or change from term to term? So many of you were able to come up with the fact that it goes from 7 to 9 to 11 to 13 to 15, and that is how the numbers themselves grow in value. It's even easier, or not easier, but it's also necessary sometimes to think about that list of numbers in a table where we put the first term, the second term, figure in this case, figure 1, figure 2, figure 3 in the top row, or the right or the left column, I mean. And we put the number of matchsticks in the bottom. And then we just describe the change from what we see. First change is plus 7, then the next change is plus 2, and after that, it's plus 2, so on and so on. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.